get started on this thing again. I measured this bottle. It's well, like I'll show you here. It's like a 6-inch bottle.
From 5:30 to 6:30, the 4 races West answer. At 6:45, it's the Ultra 4 Australian movie premiere. And then at 8 p.m.
Oh, so if we figure that, see, it might be a little bit thicker than 6. So anyways, I think what I'm going to do, is build an 8-inch box. Although I could probably get away with a 7. May fit it a little bit better. Yeah. Let's build a 7. Let's build 2 7-inch boxes. That way they're not too tight. So, grab my gloves here. I was uploading some videos. Oh, I got the Arc Captain. Hang on. Setting on there, looking good. Look at that. I'm excited to use that thing. Anyways, I was watching some videos qualifying, the UTV qualifying for King of the Hammers. So, pretty good watch if anybody's looking for anything to do. So, let's go ahead and lay this out. I got a bunch of random angle here, so I'm going to use this up. So, let me grab my marker. We'll get this laid out here and start cutting it. Right, so I got these ripped out here, 4 of them. Work on my bottle. I'd hate to go through all this work and then have them not fit. So, let's get that going here. I'd left this on here to cool. It's good now. So, throw this over here. Bring our welder over here.
Axles to licensed wheels and tires. Your possibilities of creating your dream off-road machine are endless.
All right.
Products, the official RC of King of the Hammers.
So here's what we got.
The pursuit of off-road experts. Confidence is everything. That's why we've built Onyx Off-Road to discover trails and navigate off-grid. Everything from guided trail maps to comprehensive offline accessibility and custom trip building. Ensure you're always on the right path. Join the community.
I gotta clean that weld up and clean up where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna hit that real quick with a grinder. I'll get some magnets thrown on here and we'll tack it in. So I don't have to wrestle with these. Alright, I actually shot this once already, but I realized my microphone died. So, this is the 7-inch one. I ripped this one out to 7 1/4. So it's going to hang just slightly past, and that's what I'll use for my MIG bottle. So I'm going to get these scrounged down and tacked all in place, check everything again, and then just weld it. But I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's 8 and I'm only allowed down here until 8. So that'll be what we're doing for tonight. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.